Hello students, today we will start our next topic, that is the genetic code. Myself Dr. Jyoti Rani, Department of Botany, Government College for Women Tosham. Genetic code. As we know, all the genetic information stored in the DNA, that is also known as nucleic acid, and it is expressed by the formation of functional protein. Different theories explain the mechanism by which the particular DNA sequence transcribed into RNA molecule and determine the position of specific amino acids in the protein molecule. The most widely and highly accepted theory given by the Crick and describe the existence of genetic code. The smallest unit which code for the one amino acid is known as codon. So the genetic code may be defined the process by which the sequence of DNA nucleotide and mRNA nucleotide determine the sequence of amino acid in a functional polypeptide chain or protein. Properties. Genetic code is triplet in the natures, means a single code consists of 3 nitrogenous base in a sequence and code for a functional amino acid. Except the 3 codons, that is UAA, UAG and UGA, they doesn't code for any amino acids, and that is also known as nonsense and termination codon. Second property of genetic code is non-overlapping, means adjacent codon do not overlap to each other. Genetic code is commaless, means there is no any gap or punctuations between adjacent base pair of a genetic code. Universality means a particular codon in DNA or RNA code for the same amino acid in the all living organism on the earth. Next property is collinearity, means the sequence of amino acid in a polypeptide chain synthesized corresponding to the sequence of their codon in the mRNA or the DNA molecules. The other property is ambiguity. Degeneracy, these are the two most important properties of genetic codes. Ambiguity means a genetic code always code for the same amino acid wherever it is found and never for the different amino acid. Like the GCA, it is a ambiguous code and it code for the glycine as well as glutamic acid. Degeneracy means a particular amino acid is coded by more than one codons, like alanine is coded by the 4 codons, that is GCU, GCC, GCA and GCC. And this process is also known as the wobbling hypothesis. We explain at the next points. Cistrons and polypeptide parity means protein of DNA is called cistrons. They specifies the formation of a particular polypeptide chain. It means that the genetic system should have list as many cistrons as the type of polypeptides found into the organism. Wobble hypothesis and degeneracy means the occurrence of more than one codon per amino acid is known as degeneracy. It is not a random process, but it is a highly ordered, and usually multiple codons specifies an amino acids which are differ only by the one base pair, that is the third base pair of a codon. It is of two types in the partial degeneracy and complete degeneracy. The partial degeneracy means the third base of a codon may either purine or a pyrimidine, and change from the pyrimidine to purine or vice versa will change the amino acids which coded by that codon. In complete degeneracy, any of the 4 base pair may be present at the third position of the codon, but codon will specify the same amino acids, like the valine. Valine is specified by the GUU, GUA, GUG and GUC. This pattern of redundancy of code suggests that the identifying of third codon base pairs is less specific and it is a flexible position. Only the first 2 base pair of genetic code determine the type of amino acids coded by the code. Crick further proposed the first 2 base of the codons and their hydrogen bondings between codon and anticodon follow a strict base pair rules, whether it is less stringent for the base pairing of third positions in the codon and fifth positions of the anticodon, and it allow these positions, it is known as wobble. Wobbling at the place permit other base pairing than the normal. Thanks.